Assalamu alaikum dear student. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Now today we will learn about GAT subject management science accounting MCQs. So the number one is, which of the following statement is true? And the true statement is, a computer is run by a director on behalf of its member. Okay. A worksheet provides total information for preparing financial statement. Which of the following is not a long-term liability? It is bank overdraft. Bank statement, also called passbook. In cash book, bank charges recorded at credit side. Which of the following is not a current asset? It is land. Which of the following transaction would have no impact on gross profit? It is wages outstanding. Closing the stock effect which accounts? It is trading account and balance sheet. Which of the following is recorded long-term liabilities section of the bonds? And contra asset account shows as a deduction from the related assets account in the balance sheet. Accumulated depreciation. When all the items relating to revenue and expense have been recorded in the income statement, that ultimate result, net income, net loss. The accurate expense which are shown in the worksheet and balance sheet under the head of current liability. Direct expenses are wages and carriage inward. So we will take both A and C. Liabilities are obligation of the entity outsiders. Now MCQs 15. When do revenue affect net income? In the period during which they are earned. Which of the following statement is true? There are links only between the balance sheet and cash flow statement. There is no link between the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement. There are links only between the income statement. So all three statements are incorrect. The correct is the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement are totally linked. What is the final stage of the accounting process? Journal, financial statement, ledger, trial balance. The final stage of the accounting process is financial statement. Which of the following does not describe accounting? Language of business, useful for decision making, in an end rather than a mean to an end, used by business, government, non-profit organization, and individuals. It is an end rather than a mean to an end. AAA stand for American Accounting Association. Okay. Double entry bookkeeping was fathered by L. Pacquioli. Okay. Noted that double entry bookkeeping. Which one of the following statement completely and correctly describe accounting? Recording, classifying, summarizing economic activities in systematic way. And all three are incorrect. Recording, classifying, and summarizing all activities in useful manner. Accounting is the systematic process of recording social activities only. Recording, classifying, and summarizing economic activities in informal manner. It is in systematic way. Which of the following would not be considered a component of cost of goods sold? Transportation for purchase, factory electricity expense, import duties or raw material. It is sales force salaries. Okay. The accountant worksheet lays the groundwork for formal financial statement preparation. Now 24 is worksheet signify. What signify the worksheet? A complete sketch of business activities. To arrive the gross profit of a trading business, which one of the following formula is applied? It is sales minus opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. Amount of profit of an revenue after deducting the direct cost, making the goods and supplying the service is called gross profit. Consider the following. Sales is 80,000, beginning merchandise inventory is 10,000, purchases is 45,000, and cost of goods sold is 50,000. So we can determine the value of ending merchandise inventory. It is 5,000. Okay. You can solve by yourself. Cost of goods sold is classified as type of account. Cost of goods sold is classified as which type of account? It is considered as expense. Which of the following is a financial asset? Inventories? No. Equipment? No. Leasehold land? No. It is marketable securities. Now business is started its financial period with 100 bicycle, then bought 600 bicycles during the period. The cost of 50 bicycles was owing to creditors at the end of the period. It sold 500 bicycles during the financial period, but customers have paid for only 400. Each bicycle was bought for €100 and sold for €150. What is the value of sales to be included in the firm profit and loss account for the period? It is 75,000. You can note it the question and solve it by yourself. Cost of finished goods inventory is calculated by multiplying unit of finished good inventory with the cost per unit. An organization sold units 2000 has closing finished goods 500 units. An opening finished goods unit was 300. The quantity of unit produced would be 2,200 units. Increases in material inventory means the ending inventory is greater than the opening inventory. Conversion cost is equals to direct labor plus FOH, factory overhead. Direct expenses are such expenses which are directly associated with the purchases. Okay. Selling expenses are shown in profit and loss account. A top dress designer misjudged the fashion market and has an unsold stock of 100 silk dresses, which normally sell for rupees 500 each. They cost the business rupees 200 each to make, but can now only be sold for rupees 100 each. What is the valuation per dress for the purpose of the asset valuation in the balance sheet? It is 100. Which of the following is true regarding the income statement? The income statement is sometimes called the statement of operation. Okay. The specific cost of the workforce used to produce a product, such cost is direct labor cost. Loss obtained by the business is written in worksheet on asset side of balance sheet. Retained earning increased when the corporation has a profit. A company has, by the end of its financial period, paid out more value-added tax than it has received. How would this be shown in the balance sheet? As a debitor within current asset. The controller responsibility are primarily in nature, while the treasurer responsibility are primarily related to accounting, financial management. The outcome of financial accounting is to present the financial result in the organization by means of recognized statement. The maximum number of banking partners in Pakistan can be fixed at the following. It is 10. The focal point of financial management in a firm is the creation of value for shareholders. Which of the following is not a user of management accounting information? It is creditor. Number C. Which of the following is a benefit of the corporate form of business? All of the above means raising large amount of capital is easier. Limited liability of the shareholders, stockholders. Ownerships are easily transferable, all of the above. Company with single taxation is called S-type. In general, the asset side of the balance sheet is designed to summarize balance sheet accounts with debit balances. Okay, dear students, kindly subscribe my channel and thank you.